everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to today's Craft Time STEM version. Today we will be making what is called a walking rainbow. You will need 6 cups or small jars, 6 sheets of paper towels, and 3 colors of food coloring, blue, red, and yellow. You're first going to want to fill up 3 of your jars or cups with water. And then you're gonna take each of your paper towel sheets and you're gonna fold them like so. So they all look like that. Alright, once you've done that, you're going to take your 3 cups of water. You're going to fill 1 cup with blue, 1 cup with red, and 1 cup with yellow. I would do about 5 to 6 drops of each color. All right, next what you're going to do is you're going to alternate your cups with the colors and the cups without any water. And you're going to put them in a circle. So you're going to put a color, no water, a color, no water, a color, and no water. And you're going to want to put them in a nice circle, like so. Then you're going to take your folded paper towels and you're going to put them in a shape like a rainbow, like that. And then you're going to put 1 paper towel in. Then you're going to take your next one and you're going to put it in next to the other paper towel into the next color. And you're going to continue this process throughout the circle. You'll want to make sure the ends of the paper towels are touching each other. And you'll see later on why you'll want them to touch. All right, and then you will wait to see and find out what will happen. All right, so now that you've given it some time, you will now see new colors that have been transformed into the empty cups. You can see that blue and yellow have made green, yellow and red have made orange, and blue and red have made purple. Parents, if you'd like to make this more educational for your children, before you mix the colors, fill out a chart similar to this, or you can create any version of your own, and ask them what they think the colors mixed together will make. And then after the experiment is over, your child will see if they were right or if they were wrong. We hope you liked this experiment today, and we hope to see you guys again soon. Have a great day.